So just a wee bit of extra background info. The Culzean Castle there and Culzean Country Estate is actually in Scottish National Heritage Land. You're not allowed to fly a drone on the estate. Well, unless you've got prior written permission, and there's quite a few hoops you have to jump through, including getting public liability insurance. Now, I have £12 million worth of liability insurance, but you need to write to the property manager 2 weeks in advance. You need to write to the publicity manager 2 weeks in advance and get authorisation from them to fly at Culzean Country Castle. But I did some digging and researching, and what I discovered was that that's only if you want to take off and land from the property or from the grounds. I'm actually on a public beach here. This is Croy Beach, and this is public land, so I can take off, fly up, as long as I don't go too far onto the area that Culzean might claim as their own airspace, as long as I stay outside that. And that's why I didn't fly right over the castle, and why I didn't fly over the grounds. I stayed to the outside so that I was outside of their any claimed airspace. They don't really have a right to airspace. It's the CAA that run the airspace in this country. But I didn't want to get into any legal problems with Culzean or Scottish National Heritage, so that's why I took off of the beach and flew up around it. So just a bit of background info that I probably wouldn't put on YouTube, because there's enough people already hate me and already want to report me to everybody, so I'll just keep that between us.